Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Suno AI tool. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you need just to open your web browser, go to the URL section and search for suno.ai. For now, we need just to click on make a song, and from here we can start creating songs using this Suno AI. So basically there is explore where you can see the gallery of other people or other songs that has been created, or you can just start signing up so you can have free an account on Suno AI. So I'm just going to use my Google account so I can sign in, and then I'm just going to continue and accept, and basically now we will be able to freely use Suno.ai. So now all I need to do is just to go to create, and basically you will need just either you can have some custom mode if you want to add some lyrics for your music, and of course give it a style in the title so you can have some kind of song, or you can just start adding prompts and that will create the whole song with the lyrics, etc. So let's use any song about, for example, about a happy one or a cute one, corgi, running. And we click on create and we wait, and we will start having our song that will be created using this AI tool. And as you can see, now we can see many versions or some versions. This one is a pop music, and this one is a whimsical indie pop. And if you have used custom mode, you will be able to start having some specifics, or we will have more control using the AI. So you can now, and basically this is how you can use Suno AI. Thank you for watching and see you next time.